Amy, we locked ourselves out of the house. I'm not sure what to do. Hi, babes. We have come up with a plan. I need one of these little batteries for the remote, and then we can open the garage door, and then we can pop the hinges off the garage door that goes into the house, and then we can get into the house. So what we need you to do is call Pete up, have Pete go to Walmart and get one of these little batteries for the remote. They're a little 6-volt. And then we can power up the remote, and then we can get in. Hello? Hey? Hello? Are you there? And go to Walmart and get us one of these batteries. Otherwise, I'm not sure we're going to get in the house. Love you. Amy. Hello? Hello? Amy? Hello? Are you there? Are you there, babes? Are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
Hi.
What the fuck?
Greg and I went outside and didn't unlock the door.
Do you have a car key?
We have a plan.
You do have a plan.
Yes. Here's the plan. I have a garage remote, but the battery is dead. So we need a battery for the garage remote. That'll open the garage door. Then we can pop the pins off the door because it's the only that has exposed pins for us to.
Right.
We can pop, so we can take the door off inside the garage, but we can't get in the garage because of my remote. We could go and get a battery, but Greg and I, neither of us have any money.
Why don't you drive to Pete? Pete's still awake.
If you can get Pete, we can drive to Pete's and get $20 from him.
You need to drive. He's probably got a battery at his house. He can't
No,
leave the
it's
kids.
a special battery for remotes. It's only for garage remotes. It's a weird 6-volt. We have to go to Walmart to get a battery.
Yeah, but you're going to have to drive to his place. He's got the kids.
I know.
So he's awake.
So can you call him and tell him I'm coming over?
Yeah, I'll tell him. He's awake. He knows about it. I sent him your naked video already.
Greg and I don't have any clothes.
Well, maybe you can borrow them for Pete.
Be a move.
Why don't you take the battery? Maybe he has something. You never know.
No, he doesn't have that battery. We'll have to go to.
Take the remote just in case.
Oh,
the other thing is that Molly might have a key on her key ring. I don't remember.
Really? That would
She's
be
passed
ideal.
out, though.
Oh, she had lots of drinks?
No, she's just tired. I gave her a quarter sandwich.
I'll drive over to Pete's because I have my hide key for the truck. So
Yeah.
I'll drive over and talk to him. I'm just in my underwear.
I could see that. There were no back windows that were slightly ajar.
I got my nite out of my truck, and I've tried just about every window. The only window I haven't tried is the one to the utility room. And I haven't tried
that one's closed. You're not going to get it open.
What about I'll still try the utility room window. If not, then I'll go over to Pete's. Tell him I'll be over there probably in about 15 minutes.
Are you good to drive?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, being largely naked, so maybe just call him or text and tell him I'll probably be over.
He knows. I sent him the video. You jerk. The day I leave town, all hell breaks loose.
Oh, Greg and I are like, oh my God. He doesn't have as much. Nothing. We don't have anything.
Well, just hop in. You should probably just get in the car now, both of your asses, and drive over to Pete's while he's still awake.
Okay.
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 I'll tell him you're coming.
Okay. Thanks, babes.
Oh, you're welcome.
What?
You're welcome.
About us. We'll figure it out.
Keep me posted.
This doorbell is handy.
Yeah, I won't be able to go to sleep until you guys have figured it out now.
If worse comes to worse, well, the problem is Greg doesn't even have keys to get in his house.
Yeah.
Well, if his locked your house.
Yeah, you guys are pretty smart, you two.
Yeah. He has a hide key just like me, but if we went over to his place to stay overnight, he's not sure we could get in there either.
Oh, my word.
I'll drive
over to
Pete.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we're in. All's well that ends well. You have to have a story now and again. Love you. Good night.